Like everywhere, life under the lockdown here in the Florida Panhandle has long lines outside the supermarkets. We all stay 6 feet apart, and when we're near others in public, we wear face masks and gloves.
But the rest of the time, except for getting some fresh air and taking Bo for a walk, we're pretty much inside. Sometimes in the RV, sometimes in the condo. We both find ways to amuse ourselves. Jennifer exercises.
Hey, my son Jeff, he's my hero. He sent me some 10-pound weights. You can't find them down here. First week that the gym closed, everybody bought up all the weights. Man, 1 week off, 3 weeks lost conditioning.
Do you know how many people who are stuck in cold climates will envy you for being able to exercise outdoors like this with the water right behind you?
Well, come on. I guess I can't.
They can't come down.
They can't come down. They can't. I'm just so happy I got my 10-pound weights. Mike has tried using Alexa as a karaoke machine.
Those blue eyes shining, they keep drawing me into you. Falling off the track, I can't do this. You get me like that. Jennifer exercises.
Another way that I like to work out is in the pool, and I'm fortunate enough when we're at the condo that I have access to a pool. I used to teach aqua aerobics for a lot of years, so it's great to have the pool. What I'm trying to say is find somehow to exercise. Don't become a couch potato. 1 week off, 3 weeks worth of conditioning lost. So, you got free time, go online, find something that you want to do, a stretch class, a yoga class, aerobic class. Find something, Zumba, find something, but keep moving. Mike seems to be spending a lot of time checking our stock of food supplies. Mike, are you eating again?
No, I'm just checking the food supply, making sure we got enough. Jennifer exercises.
Now, if you got stairs, you are really in luck. Going upstairs is so good for you. Going down is harder on your knees. It's like 3 times your body weight when you go down. Gloves, you got to wear gloves in case you got to grab hold of that rail. So if you got stairs, you're in luck. It's been over a month now since government officials have asked no unnecessary travel.
And we've been pretty much off the road ever since. Now we're lucky we're happened to be at our condo in Florida when that order came down, and then as many states imposed lockdowns, same here in Florida, and that's where we have been. We are in the RV though, and we thought that we would show you a little bit about how we still use our RV during the lockdown, but also we're finding that there's still lots of things you can do, right?
Yeah. Our day normally consists of, we have a dog named Bo, and we take him to an off-leash dog park.
So we're going to show you that. We're going to show you all the things that you can do on a lockdown, and answer a couple of questions. One of the ones that everybody says is, well, what do you guys do about your mail? We'll show you that, and just try and give you a couple of pointers about trying to get through all of this. But let's talk first about the RV. We are in our RV now, and we use this oftentimes as a mobile recording studio for the podcast and for YouTube videos like this. But it's also a nice little place to come. You know, 2 people in one space. Sometimes you need a little separation, right?
Yeah, so we've got 2 houses, I guess, in Florida.
Yeah.
The RV and the condo.
And sometimes we just come out and sit in here.
Yeah, sometimes we'll come out and have a meal out here just because we love our RV.
And it gives us a little bit of excitement about when we're going to be able to travel again. And it's just kind of nice just to hang out in here. Even Bo likes it. He's sitting up in the front seat right now.
He's riding shotgun.
Riding shotgun, and he's pretty happy. So let's take you through our life down here in Florida during the lockdown. Beaches are all closed down here, but this is Santa Rosa Sound right on the other side of that tree line you see over there is the Gulf of Mexico, and those beaches are closed. But right here, there's a little dock that goes out. Some people fish from it, and our dog park is just right over there where those trees on the shoreline are. So we do the dog park, take Bo for a walk, which we're allowed to do, and then we come here and just we're hanging out. And it's actually quite relaxing. You know, I don't know if you can see, there's boats out there. You can probably hear it. It's got a ways away, and that's probably a pretty safe place. You can still boat in Florida. We don't have one, but
Jet skis and paddle boards and kayaks.
Yeah.
You can do all of that.
And makes me want to go get one of all of the above, but it's probably not a smart thing to do. But so this is kind of how we spend our mornings. And there are some RVers here. They do day camping, and we see this little Class C comes to the park pretty much every day, and they just hang out here during the day. Yeah, I don't know where they're staying the nights, at a Walmart or someplace, but you do some day camping and kind of hunker down. Not a lot of people here. This is the park that we walk in, and lots of people walking at different times of the day. It's pretty empty right now, but not bad. And this is again that sound that we're on. And I told you about the dog park. We've shown you that before, but there's a dog beach over there, and you can see those little guys swimming, having a good time in the water. We had Bo there earlier this morning, and now we just do a little bit of walking through the park.
Did I tell Daddy I saw a bird? Yeah, very interesting bird. Oh, some people.
Yeah.
That's interesting too.
This is what we all kind of do, just walk around
Walk around
a lot.
like zombies.
We feel like zombies, yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Do it, right? All right, bathrooms. I believe they're locked. Hate to touch the door handle. It is locked. And they've got a key, they've got a deadbolt. They have to lock it because people were stealing toilet paper, and in the process of stealing the toilet paper, they're in a rather substantial container. They're destroying property. These containers have to be expensive. You have these huge, great big rolls of toilet paper. And also they have the hand sanitizer fluids in there to get your hands clean, and they were draining those. So because of people being too aggressive in getting toilet paper because they can't buy it at the stores, and coming to the park to steal the toilet paper and destroy the containers that hold the toilet paper, and also drain out all the what you clean your hands with. They had to lock it. Now nobody gets to use the bathroom.
And that causes the problem because there are a lot of homeless people, and they now don't have facilities.
This is their home, the park. I think they sleep in the woods around here.
So as a result, if they have to use a bathroom, they only have outside.
Yeah, they can't go to the fast food places anymore. Those bathrooms are shut. So a lot of homeless people sleeping in the woods, sleeping on the benches, sleeping wherever they want to sleep, and then for bathrooms, just going wherever.
Perhaps the most frustrating restriction for all of us who are hunkering down in Florida is the beaches are closed. These are among the most beautiful beaches in Florida, but they shut them down about 2 weeks ago. And the reason is why is with everybody else shut down and told to shelter in place, everybody around the country would love to come to Florida and shelter in place on these beaches. So they shut them down, particularly during Easter week, because these beaches are normally filled at this time of year. So while I can't necessarily go out and show you these beaches, which I think are among the most beautiful in all of North America, I can send the drone up. So let's do that. Take a look at these beautiful beaches, something you'll never see again, totally devoid of people.
Whoa, it looks like you ran into the mail carrier.
Yeah, after what?
5 weeks?
5 weeks of...
5 weeks worth of mail. Ooh, that's a pretty good sized box. I wonder what that weighs.
I don't know. You want to get the scales and try it?
Yeah, I'll get out the scales.
All right.
I'm going to sit here. I'm going to pick up this box and let's see what 5 weeks worth of mail weighs. Looks like 17 pounds.
That's a lot of mail.
Yeah, wonder what treasures are in here. A $1 million check from the Publishers Clearinghouse? What do you think?
I don't know. Bo,
Let's
you,
see.
what do you think's in
Bo,
there?
what do you think's in there, Bo? You think they got anything good to eat? What do you think, Bo? Should we open this up?
So what we do is we had our mail held in our Michigan home, and then they have a special forwarding service that after they hold it, they can hold it for as long as 30 days. And we just had it shipped, and now they'll ship it to us every Wednesday by priority mail. Can you get stuff out of there?
I'm hoping so. I might need you to do this. Oh, such treasure.
Let's put her all over the table and start to sort it.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Whoa. Would you like to pull it out? Oh, there we go. Now I got her going. Now I got 5 weeks worth of mail. Woo! I think I'm going to keep this open and throw some of the things I know I don't want right back into this box.
So I guess what we do is we go through and we sort out the junk mail from what's worthwhile, right?
Yeah.
Junk,
Yeah.
junk.
I'll just look at that one a little bit later. All right, let's kind of go through here.
All right, this is going to take a while, so
Yeah, I think
we'll
it's
do it
gonna
in a couple of different shots, I guess.
Okay. This is what we ended up with, the things that need our attention. We got about 6 bills or so in here that everybody will be happy to get paid. And everything else is back in the box that it came from because it's all junk mail.
What's the solution? Well, I think the solution is to use a mail forwarding service like from Escapees, in which we send all of our mail to Escapees. That's the RV club that we recommend. And then they, in turn, we can have it so they just send us first-class mail. Almost all of this stuff is third-class junk mail, flyers, stuff that advertising, things that we really don't need. So I'm going to next time we have an extended period like that, just use Escapees and have all of our first-class mail sent, which is just this, pretty much just this little stack that Jennifer showed you. That's all that really counts.
And that's 5 weeks worth.
That's 5 weeks worth. So, man, the post office is delivering a lot of junk. So there you go. That's what our RV lifestyle in lockdown is like. And we're in an area of the country that has not been hit as bad as some areas. But like most of us, we're asked to stay in one place, not do any unnecessary travel. And this is kind of how we make it bearable. It's not been bad.
It's not been bad at all. We're so fortunate to be in lockdown in such a beautiful area. And I mean, we can stay in our condo, we can walk out by the pool, you've seen what we get to do. So we are really fortunate that we can take walks and we can interact with people on a casual basis at a safe distance. And I just feel very fortunate to be here.
So wherever you are, we hope that you are safe, that you realize that, as we've been saying all along here, we haven't canceled our RV lifestyle plans, we're just postponing them a bit. And we will be able to travel. We can't wait to do it. We're making a big list. We can't wait to get out on the road, and I bet you can too. Hey, we're Mike and Jennifer Wendland. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do us a favor and give us a thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the RV Lifestyle channel. And you know that little bell icon? You see that up there? Click on that, and then you'll be notified when we have new videos online. Thanks for watching.
Happy trails.